Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am bringing to you Sinful Colors Cosmic Collection that I ordered off of Amazon. There is 6 colors in the collection. I paid $13.99, which I think is a great deal because if you buy them in the store, the ones with the silver caps are $2.99 a piece, at least. So you're saying $3 times 6 is 18. I only paid 14 for them, so I saved $4. Plus they have Amazon Prime with free shipping, so I did okay. I'm going to be putting these on some swatch nails so I can show you each and every one of these. I think these are a really beautiful collection. You can have a lot of fun with these. There is a shimmer to them and a slight cosmic, what do you want to call it? I don't know if I want to call it glitters, like, not glitters. And I doubt that you can see this on film real well. Let me see. Yeah, I doubt that you can. But there is, oh, I didn't even tell you what it was. And this is a Vanessa Hudgens collection. This is Galaxy 2604. It's got the shimmer, but it's got a pinkish purplish radiance to it. It's really pretty. My next one is like a silvery blue. It is number Space Dust 2607. And this is really pretty. So make sure I'm in frame. Not out left field somewhere. They spread really nice colors. Our next is a rose gold, I would call it. It is Interstellar 2605. Definitely say these are all at least a 2-coater. At least. On these nails it may take a little bit more, but I'm hoping not. Trying to give nice even coverage. I am not capping these nails because, well, they're not real. Here we got so far. Nice colors. The next 3 are my favorites. This is a nice stellar purple with some holographic glitter going on there. Really super fine. Super fine where you can barely see it on the nail. This is called Celestial 2603. I have this color on my my left hand. Kind of looks like a purplish blue, the first coat. It's kind of, I hate to call it streaky, but I can't put a too thin of a coat on here, because then it does look streaky. Let's see how well it self-levels. This is probably my favorite. This one and the next one are from my favorite side of the collection. Give you a little look-see there of it. I mean, once it's on the nail, you really can't see. I can't tell the little specks of the hollow glitter in there. They're just like dust. Hollow dust. That's what I'll call it. Because it takes so much for you to probably see it, and then... Which our nails aren't this big. Well, mine aren't. These are really beautiful colors, though. I mean, these two are more predominant, yes, but I just think the darker colors are prettier. It's just my personal opinion of this collection. I think they're all beautiful colors, but ew, this one's nasty. Look at that. How dare they ship it like this? Ew. Oh, wow. I mean, I got this off Amazon. That really sucks. I get the remover out and get that cleaned up, or I'll never get it opened again. I like this color. I like this color a lot. Whoops. There we go. This is the full collection, the Cosmic Collection from Sinful. This is one coat. I'm going to give these a little bit of drying time. Whoops. Which, I mean, this one, the first color is good to go, but I want to give these ones a little bit more drying time. So they are applied a little bit thicker, especially the purple. So I'm going to pause this and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are going to do our second coat of our Sinful's Cosmic Collection. I think these are really beautiful colors. Some of them, I mean, your own preference. You could do it. I mean, they are opaque. You could do a third coat if you want. I wouldn't. But that's my own personal opinion. It's like a sparkly little pink. Whoops. Can you see? I think they're beautiful. Next up is our silvery blue. There we go. Next up is our Interstellar, the rose gold. Oh yeah, second coat does wonders for this one. Look, it's a little thick, but it's not a fake nail. I'll wipe my brush off some. It's just way too thick. Nice coverage though. It's really pretty. With the hollow little glitters. It's like dust. It really is. You can't call it like glitters because it is like dust in here. The stellar, or yes, this one here you really don't, well, when I put it on my hands I did do 2 coats. This is the blue, this one right here, it's on my middle finger. I had this on a few days, so I've got a little bit of wear on the edges here. These are beautiful colors. I give props to Sinful Colors for creating such beautiful colors for us to play with. I love this blue. Look at that. They are some really, really beautiful colors. Definitely be seeing myself wearing these. If you have this collection, leave me a comment down below or any of these colors. Let me know what you think. What's your opinion of them? I think they're beautiful. I really do. I want to get my hands on the neon collection that just came out. And there we go. These are without top coat. So what do you think? This is 2 coats of the Cosmic Collection 2019 by Sinful Colors. If you are new here, by any chance, please subscribe. Please click the bell. If you are one of my return viewers, I thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your presence, your support. Love you all for being here. Without you, my channel wouldn't be here. We are trying to grow. We just had our 500th milestone, which was beautiful. I was so excited. We had our giveaway for that. I'm a little over 500 now. Still trying to grow. Next milestone will be 600. Don't know what's going to be going on. I may have just a small giveaway for my 600th. We'll see. We'll plan once we get closer to it. So share my channel. Let people know that I'm out there. I do reviews. I do a She Modern Saturday series every Saturday. That's always a nice little series promoting all of She Modern products. Lately I've been using gels when it comes to those. So we'll see how that goes, where I'm going to take that one. I am going to top coat these. Oh, what I was talking about. Yeah, I produce 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday is my She Modern. So yeah, check me out. We're going to top coat these babies with some Infinite Shine by OPI. Oh wow, that just really brings out the color, I think. Oh. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. Nice wide brush to fan out. Really like this. It's my first time using it. I've had it for a minute, but I keep forgetting about it. Oops. If you have it kind of brushed like the, oh, it's the blue blood onto my top coat. If you have a polish that's got that kind of brush, use it. Take advantage of it. Spread that polish out with it, fan it out. So they're all nicely top coated. I'll put the link in the description box for this collection, along with all my discount codes and information I feel you may need. This is the OPI Infinite Shine. New Pro Stay Technology. That's what it says on the cap. That's what I top coated them with. I think this is a beautiful collection. Thank you all for being here. This is the end of our video. We're going to call it a day. Hope you like this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Have a blessed day. Thank you.